Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this mugshot filter on Instagram. There are two filters, one without background and this one is with background. To get these filters you can visit the creator profile. Niania is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all our filter to your camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. So check in the filter tray and these are the filter mugshot QT V2 and mugshot QT. Tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.